this party.
Oi, Bobby, where exactly are we going?
We are going home to our siblings.
But I'm too tired. When are we gonna stop? We should be there before the chicken gets too cold.
Look, we've made it.
Oi, our brothers made it. I thought they never come back.
It's about time, Frankie.
Oh my god, Bobby, Sammy, and Jonesy. Are you guys all alright?
It doesn't feel like. Because we've gone for about hours. And it's my fault, and now the car is now lost and possibly scrapped. And you have to heat up the chicken. Whoa. To worry, I'll be fine. You can take them to the hospital.
Hope you've learned your lesson, Bobby.
Of course. From now on, how about you drive, Jonesy?
Yep. I will always be the driver, or Freddy can.
We're waiting every night to finally romantic night. Newcomers to play with us for many years we've been all alone. We're forced to be still and play the same song we've known since the day. And it was